If your air conditioner is not cooling properly, it can seriously mess up your comfort, especially when the heat hits hard. First off, you gotta clean those condenser coils because dirt and grime block the heat exchange, making your AC work harder but cool less. Next, check the refrigerant levels. If they are low, your unit won't chill the air right, and that usually means you might have a leak needing professional repair. Also, don't forget to inspect the compressor since it's like the heart of your AC system. If it's malfunctioning, cooling drops big time. Make sure to clean or replace your air filters regularly because clogged filters choke airflow and reduce cooling efficiency. Set your thermostat to a consistent temperature instead of constantly changing it, which can confuse the system and waste energy. Keep the area around your outdoor unit clear of plants or debris to allow proper airflow. Use ceiling fans to help circulate cool air better so your AC doesn't have to crank up all the time. Lastly, schedule annual professional maintenance to catch small issues before they turn into expensive repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with an air conditioner not cooling properly is ignoring dirty condenser coils. This is a top keyword problem because it drastically lowers system efficiency, and the fix is simply regular cleaning. Another common issue is low refrigerant levels caused by leaks. Without enough refrigerant, your AC just can't cool well, so get a certified technician to locate and seal leaks and recharge the system. Lastly, running an AC with a dirty air filter is super common and reduces airflow, leading to poor cooling and higher energy bills. Swapping filters every 1 to 3 months depending on use fixes this easily. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making it way easier to get repairs done right without the stress. It also helps contractors find steady work by matching their skills with people who really need them in their area.